Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see how many people view your videos on TikTok, and this is a easy process to do. It's an option in the settings and privacy of the app. So this is a process like 3 steps, and the first step is go to the application of TikTok here, and after that we need to go in the down part of the feed in the option of your profile. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner. This is the option of the settings and privacy of TikTok. You need to pick here, and after that you got 3 options: creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. So you need to pick here in settings and privacy. And after that, you need to go to the first option, what is account. And after that, the only thing you need to do is switch to business account. So after that, with a business account, you can see the statistics of your videos and your account. And that's it. The way you can see like the people, how many people view your content and on TikTok. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.